Lolumbimbi lamaqembu aphikisayo lunxenxe abantu kuba babhelisele ukuvota.
In this upcoming election, South Africans will have to face a choice of 2 points on paths. The one path is a continuation of the status quo and its tour guide led by the ANC. It brings more unemployment, poverty, inequality, and a rising cost of living that cannot be kept up with.
This government has delivered dololo kaya, dololo mai, dololo sebenza. Ayiko. I mean, you cannot get worse than car.
We can change South Africa's future. We can build a more inclusive economy. We can get people out of poverty and into opportunity. But it's going to require the collective efforts of all of us.
We have done visits to other countries, Germany, Denmark, to observe the good practice of a coalition government. The experience we have gathered is to ensure we do not repeat what we see at a local government sphere.
Lolumbimba luyiqize iqakala ke i-MK Party eyasokwa ngowayengumengameli we-ANC uJacob Zuma. Oluthi iwumkhonto gwazekhaya kukhongolose.
The ANC is known for scoring own goals. It's another own goal, where one of its own members who claims to be still a part of the political party is allowed to continue to go and support and canvass on behalf of another political party.
Kepha umengameli we-IFP unomuzwa ohlukile ngaleli qembu kunosihlalo weqembu kwaZulu Natal. NgoZibandlela uThamintuli wathi ukuvotela i-MK kungukuvotela i-ANC.
MK. The IFP welcomes MK. We believe in competition in South Africa. We trust the people of South Africa have seen it enough to use their vote wisely during the day of the elections.
Amalungu Multy Party Charter kukhona kuona i-DA, IFP, FF+, ACDP, UCDP, UIM, EPP, SNP ne-Isanco kanye ne-Action SA.